Hey guys, so I'm back with some more Groovepad tutorials. You know I've been so harshful today, but we can get into it. So, let's start with Subsonic and his drum and bass. So, let's get started. Wait, hold on. Check so the chorus is clear. Even though my voice is kind of lazy. Okay, it's good. Wait, we gotta get this out of here. I don't know anything about nature's way. Let's just start with the first lesson. Okay. Start with the second lesson. Even though I play this all the time. What did you play? Subsonic. Okay. Start with the third lesson. Lesson 3. Here we go. Okay, so we completed lesson 3. It's good. Okay, we completed lesson 4. I'm sorry. Okay, lesson 5. Alright guys, I'm so sorry. Oh, look at that cute dog. Oh. Now it's time for the lesson that we mainly never even do before. So I suppose you guys should know in the comments. You guys never knew how much you guys know how you could do this lesson properly. I was thinking I can do it better. Okay, so let's see if we can get this one done. If not, we can probably do it again somehow. I don't remember. But anyways, let's do it. Okay, lesson 6 is finally completed, and start with lesson 7. So, here we go. Wait. Hold up. I want to show you guys how the weather got so crazy. The sunset and the clouds. That's how the weather got crazy. Even though I'm already suffered from the actual companies, even though we couldn't compromise the manufacture, the wire literally just keep bruising off because it keeps doing every single momentary, because it's not even the most common thing that you could never even seen before. Never seen before in your whole entire life. maybe, but you could just show it off a little bit. This weather's just such a ripoff. It wouldn't even stop doing what it's supposed to be doing. I found out that I'm already highly trying to drain myself off, doing everything else except what you should be doing most likely, and doing everything. Just keep in touch and try and get your mindset blowing. And make sure you just do whatever you're doing this weather. It tries to have the most impact of this whole entire briefing. It's briefly a good set of your life. So, okay, let's just get into the lesson. Starting with lesson 8. Alright, we finally crushed lesson 8, baby. I'm telling you, I'm the only girl that plays music and make beats and then just try to, improve it. You know what? I absolutely did. Alright, we're gonna get into lesson 9, and then we're gonna be done. And then do lesson 10, and then we'll be all finished. So let's go for it. I usually love to whistle all the time, you guys. But anyways, let's just get to the last lesson, lesson 10. Oh, I just hate when these ads show up.
Managing money is difficult when it's spread
Oh
across
my
different
gosh.
locations and sources. That's why I downloaded Cash App. Cash App lets you send and receive money, manage your spending with a no.
I am so done. And I don't pay no bills. Dang it. Alright, you know what, guys? I finally reached my goal. No, we're not doing Techno Ibiza now. No. We're gonna do that later. So recently, you need to make sure you probably need to make your beats properly. So it's like it's definitely probably a little significant pressure of your beats that you can probably make and increase your goal. Guys, just do that. I was probably doing the most try to promise myself compromising and putting in into deep pressure and see if I can do it exactly just what I did. Well, I need to have perfect progress. And just be honest with me. Well, luckily I just made some powerful pressure in my mind. I wouldn't just believe in that. And that tells us exactly where to start the goals that you can reach. And it is what it is. That's what that tells us how to improve the beats that you can probably do for sure. And yeah. Well, anyways, thanks for watching this video. More Groovepad tutorials coming soon. And let me know in the comments if you guys might do this. Download the Groovepad app now. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe for more videos coming soon. Well, anyways, bye.